Did you ever think that investing in Metaverse can make you a millionaire? If not, stay tuned with this video till the end. Since its launch, Metaverse has taken the world by storm. From attracting online game makers, social networks and global technology leaders, Metaverse Virtual Realm has also opened doors to numerous exciting revenue-generating options. According to reports, the global Metaverse market is projected to be worth $800 billion by 2024. Seeing the bright growth scope, individuals and businesses have begun to wonder how to make money in the Metaverse. Thus, being a leading Metaverse development company, we at Blocktech Brew present you the 5 ideas that can help you earn huge through investing in Metaverse. There are several ways for users to make money in the Metaverse, including hosting events, designing virtual spaces, investing in cryptocurrencies, and much more. But here we'll talk about the best 5 Metaverse investment ideas. Number 1. Be a Metaverse real estate agent. Real estate trade in Metaverse is booming magically. The digital real estate market is expected to increase by $5.37 billion by 2026. Prices of land on popular platforms such as Otherside, Decentraland, and The Sandbox have seen a huge hike. In 2021, The Sandbox, the largest real estate metaverse, had 65,000 virtual land transactions, totaling $350 million United States dollars. Meanwhile, Decentraland, the second largest virtual world, saw 21,000 real estate transactions worth $110 million United States dollars last year. Whopping, isn't it? Thus, you can be Metaverse real estate agent to buy or sell digital real estate or rent your Metaverse land. Number 2. Create and sell NFTs. NFTs are digital assets that are unique and not interchangeable. In the Metaverse, NFTs can be used to represent just about anything, from virtual land to art. If you're creative and have an eye for design, you could create NFTs and sell them for a huge profit. For instance, in Decentraland, you can create and sell NFTs using its native Mana cryptocurrency. Plus, owning an NFT in this metaverse also gives you the power to decide the direction in which Decentraland proceeds. Also, you can help market someone else's NFT collection to earn a commission on each sale. Number 3. Play to earn games. What could be a better way to earn while playing video games you already love? Play-to-earn games are one of the most popular ways of making money in the Metaverse. This type of game spins traditional gaming by allowing players to earn cryptocurrency while playing. The virtual universe is filled with exciting play-to-earn games you can play. There is something for everyone, from unique word search and puzzle games to cutthroat chess tournaments. Number 4. Build an online store. One of the best ways to make money in the Metaverse is to become an online shop owner. Many Metaverse platforms have additional features and functions that allow users to buy and sell virtual items. Users can create their virtual stores, just as they would in real life, and fill them with any products they want. Moreover, brands can make money by allowing users to purchase digital accessories and real-life items from virtual stores. Number 5. Metaverse virtual concerts. Concerts have become a big attraction for Metaverse users, and individuals can make money by organizing or participating in a concert in the Metaverse. Celebrities such as Marshmello, Justin Bieber, David Guetta, and more have already performed on Metaverse platforms. Thus, Metaverse virtual concerts is something that'll surely flourish in the coming days and can help you earn massive. In addition to these, there are multiple ways you can earn through investing in Metaverse. Do let us know if you have an amazing idea related to Metaverse or want to tell us anything we've left out. Let us know in the comments section below. If you're looking for the best Metaverse development services, connect with Blocktech Brew now.